Hello everyone, I am thrilled to announce that I am leaving from my job as a Director 2 for Data Science and Analytics. It is because I already positioned myself in the marketplace as a content creator, as a professor, and as an entrepreneur. Alright? Usually, lengthy videos is one of the best and most effective way to provide guidance and information because of the clarity and completeness of the process that is being discussed in every videos. All right? So do you know what are the secrets of biggest technology and consulting firm, not only here in the Philippines but also abroad? How do they position their business in the marketplace? How do their business become one of the first in rank when you search the businesses or the services that you are looking for? For example, you are looking for a data scientist. You are looking for data engineers. You are looking for doctors. You are looking for writers. Alright? So in this video, I will walk you through how to benefit from the latest and emerging technology today, like yours truly. To tell you honestly, I have been working online since 2010. I am a data scientist from Upwork. I am a writer, although I am not finished and I don't have any degree in communication research or any degree in writing and so on and so forth. But I am earning huge amount of money from writing articles. And I can tell you the steps how I am doing articles and where to sell those articles. All right? So before, only people in the data science are earning money. Only people who are in the area of legal or law who are earning huge amount of money because of the services they are offering, in the market. But because of the advancement and development in technology and analytics, everyone can now benefit from the technology. Alright, so all you need to do in order for you to benefit from this video is, trust the process. Alright? Be patient to understand each of the strategies, each of the techniques that I will be going to mention in this video. And of course, try to execute what is being discussed. Okay? So sundin lamang po ninyo mga kaibigan kung ano ba yung dinidiscuss ko. Pakinggan ninyong maigi, kumbaga, intindihin ninyong mabuti kung ano ba yung mga dinidiscuss ko. At syempre, gawin ninyo kung ano yung dinidiscuss ko steps by steps. Paano maging isang content creator? Paano maging isang writer? Paano maging isang data scientist? Paano maging data analyst? Lahat ng yan, kahit hindi ka nakapag-aral, ay maaari kang kumita ng pera. Sa pagsusulat ng article, pwede kang sumulat ng article gamit ang makabagong technology ngayon. At kapag nakasulat ka na ng article, napakaraming videos, ang magagawa ng articles na yun. Bukod doon, ay maraming kumpanya ang bibili ng inyong articles. Ipapublish nila yung article na ginawa mo sa kanilang website, sa kanilang kumpanya. At habang may mga taong nagbabasa doon sa mga article na sinusulat mo na binibili nila sa iyo, ikaw ay magkakaroon ng continuous income. So, hindi na siya passive income lang. Continuous income na siya. Okay? Kalimutan natin yung paniniwala sa mga magic. No? Hindi po tayo easy money. Huwag tayong maniwala sa ganun. Kagaya na lamang nito, stone. So sabi ko, suswertehin na ba ako pag may ganito ako? Hindi. Meron din akong libro ni Mr. Chinkitan. Ayan, 4 na libro to. Ito yung Piso Planner. Ayan, Piso Planner, yung malaki Piso Planner. Tapos, meron pa ditong May Ipon Diary. Mayroon ditong Utang Free. My Budget Diary. Diary of a Pulubi. Ngayon, ang technique dito, kung hindi mo susundin yung sinasabi ni Sir Chinkitan, useless tong mga libro na to. Kaya kinakailangan mong i-execute kung ano ang nababasa mo. At para malaman kung paano sumulat, paano ka matututong sumulat ng articles, saan mo ibebenta yung mga articles mo, anong topic yung gusto mong i-discuss sa article mo. At syempre, magkano ang bilihan doon sa articles na iyong ibebenta sa market. Okay? So, nandito tayo sa aking laptop at ituturo ko sa inyo yung steps by steps procedure. Okay? So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Mayroong kahabaan yung mga videos, yung mga tutorials na sasabihin ko sa inyo na ipapakita ko dito sa aking actual na pagsulat ng article. Okay? Sundin lamang ninyo yung step by step na ituturo ko sa inyo. Gawin lamang ninyo. Tiyak na tiyak, kikita kayo. No? At hindi lang siya passive income. Ito na yung magiging trabaho ninyo in the next coming years or months. Alright? So, for those non-Filipino, alright? So, this video will discuss about how you can write articles. Even if you don't undergo college education, even if you don't have degree in communication, even if you don't undergo education at all. Alright? So, I will tell you how to write the article, okay? The topics that you would like to write, and of course, where to sell this article, and how to charge your articles. Alright, so this could be your continuous source of income. Alright, so all you need to do is, of course, you have to listen, you have to understand, trust the process, and execute what is being discussed in this video. Alright? So, there you go. Go to the description of this video so that you can be directed, no? So that you can be redirected to the actual video. This is to make the video a little shorter. So, I split it into two phase. Alright, so I split it into 2 videos. Alright, thank you.